Forex coaches are the easiest clients to work for. Why? Because they already have money. And there are 7 things that they will always want to pay for. So let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Favor Ayanshala, and I help Forex coaches and YouTubers increase their online visibilities and sales via video, edit, and content strategy. And on the side, I help Forex trader monetize their Forex knowledge. Why do Forex coaches outsource? Now, one reason why Forex coaches outsource is because they don't have time. They spend most of their time on the charts or trying to mentor their students. Number 2, they love teaching, but they hate doing the other complicated work like video editing, social media management, their community management and all that. And that's why they need you. What are the 7 things that they will always want to pay for? Number 1 thing they will love to pay for is video editing. They like someone who can actually cut, paste, and edit their raw footage in order to maintain their social media presence. Number 2 is they would like someone who can turn their live zone into sized lesson. They don't have time to go back to their live zone to start drafting out everything they wrote in their live zone, because sometimes their live zone is always spontaneous. So they want someone who can actually draft out some teachings, some lessons from the live zone so they can actually use it for their students or use it across their social media platform. Number 3 is market breakdown graphics. Some of the trade that they've been able to take during the week or month ago, they'll actually need a graphic to put them in a consumable format. 4 is student onboarding and email automation. Then number 5 is managing their Discord or Telegram community. I don't think there's any forest coaches that don't have a community or that don't have a Discord. If they don't have like a Discord community, they'll definitely have a Telegram community. And some will also have like a WhatsApp community. So they will want someone to manage their community for them. They don't have the time to keep asking, like to answer questions in the community. But they will need someone. And because you are a forest trader yourself, it's very easy for them to hire you because you know solutions to some of their problems. You can actually give answers to their question why you are waiting for the coaches to be clear answers or to actually draft teachings from the question. Then number 6 is they need someone who can actually do their course formatting and design. They always create courses because course creation is actually one of their source of income. So in order for them to have time to do other things, they'll need someone who can actually do course formatting and also design it so it can actually be consumable. Then number 7, which is the last on my list, is webinar repurposing. Now the ones when we can actually repurpose our webinar. For example, you can repurpose your webinar and turn it into short videos, like 10 short videos, 11 short videos, and more. And you can also repurpose it into Instagram carousel post. And you can also repurpose it into overlay videos. You can actually repurpose it into YouTube long form videos. Depending on what the client want, depending on what the coaches want, you have to save them time and to ensure that they still have this um online visibility. They want somebody to do this work for them. And if they can do those things, you can do these things that I mentioned, any of these things mentioned, then you have their money and you have their attention. It's obvious that you won't be able to do this 7. And how do you go about it to make your client outreach or your client outsource actually very easy for you and to get like tremendous results within a month? Is there are things that you need to follow. Number 1 is you need to pick one thing. You can't do everything. Pick one thing. Do you just want to specialize in the webinar repurposing, video editing, or social media management? Or you want to just specialize in their community management? So whichever one you want to, just spend it down. After doing that, package it. But first and foremost, you have to have done like a free sample for someone so you can actually like have customer reviews and all that. But if you haven't, well, you can still actually reach out to this client, these Forex coaches, and tell them, first of all, you have to tell them they have a problem and you have solutions to their problem, because people pay for solution, they pay for problems. So if you don't have a problem you want to solve for them, they won't give you the attention that you need. If you want to learn how to monetize your forex knowledge, and you also want to learn how to get your clients, outsource your clients, so please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment if you love this episode. See you in my next video. Bye.